Crunchified Clean friends, check out how cool this shower door is. Like, it's not even a door, it's like the wall, the glass part, but there's no door or curtain, so you just kind of walk in and out. Isn't that really neat? So here are some cleaning tips. First, get a pair of Crocs, or even like Five Below imitation Crocs, or just any kind of like silicone rubber type sandals. Closed toes, I think, would be better for when you're cleaning showers. Now, in this particular case, I did not bring my Crocs with me, so I did have my sneakers on. And I had the shoe slip covers on first because I walked through the house and I put my shoe slip covers on and then I took them off. But here's one of the tips on cleaning a shower. Put down a towel first when you're going to stand in the shower. That way, whatever gunk and dirt is on the bottom of your sneakers, you're not tracking it into the shower, so it's less stuff to clean. Spray it down with whatever spray cleaner you're going to use. In this situation, I used Pure Evergreen Hydrogen Peroxide Cleaner. I splashed some dish soap as well. And then I got the Clorox Extendable Tub and Tile Brush. The Tovar Mopping System mop also has a brush attachment, so any kind of long brush handle, because the least bending over I have to do, the better. So I like to kind of keep straight as possible. Then remove the towel before you rinse it off with water. And then I hit the bottom of the glass shower doors because the bottom part of the glass shower doors tends to have more soap buildup because of gravity. The soap drips down. Grabbed my handy dandy little scrub daddy and sprayed it a little bit more. Give it a little bit more scrubbing down below. Rinsed everything off with water. Try not to get yourself wet. It happens. Sometimes I get wet. What are you going to do? It's water. And then dry everything off with a towel and take some good before and after pictures. And then you also clean the outside of the glass shower door as well. I use my favorite microfiber wholesale glass and mirror cleaning cloths to clean down the glass, because those are amazing for glass. And then I use microfiber towels or cotton towels to wipe off the actual inside of the shower and the tile. I also used my Thieves Cleaner, which is great for glass and mirrors. It's just a great cleaner all around. But I used that to kind of shine up the glass when I was done with it. And there you go. It's a beautiful Crunchified Clean shower. And I think it's a really, really interesting style. Like, it just looks really cool and contemporary. So kudos to whoever built the shower. It looks really neat. And there you go. That's a tip. Hope you enjoyed my video. Check out the link for the Scrub Daddy down below. And look at that. Isn't that pretty? Really nice look. I really like it. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.